¿Crees que has visto combos poderosos en Blox Fruits?
¡Pero no!
Prepárate para conocer el combo definitivo de Blizzard con el que destrocé servidores completos. Esto es algo que no querrás perderte, serás temido en cada server que vayas y los pondrás a correr como niñas.
¿Se puede esquivar o hacer Kentrick?
No, es demasiado improbable que lo puedan esquivar, lo único que tienen que hacer es resignarse a perder su bounty o salirse del server.
Bueno Tilín, entonces subiré mucho bounty gracias a ti, adiós.
Ahora sí vayamos con el video, para que vean esta majestuosa cacería. Lo primero que necesitamos es la fruta Blizzard. Probaré con este set a ver qué tal y después les enseñaré el combo del que nadie escapa ileso.
1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Todo mundo sobre 2 raíces en cada uno.
Acá un PvP con un 30 millones para que vean que sí funciona y que es anti-esquivos.
Ahora sí viene lo chido.
¿Qué he hecho yo para ganarme ese desprecio? Es que no lo sé.
Ven pa' acá, conchetum.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off.
First blood.
The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that I can feel it all if you're patient and soon.
Ven pa' acá, conchetum.
Worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it.
First blood.
All of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my...
¡No mames otra vez!
You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start.
Olá, meus estimados.
Reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
Double kill.
Ven pa' acá.
I can hear the demons call.
¡Ah! 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 ¡Me docean! ¡Ah!
Mucho más tarde.
I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story, and I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Understand, you're not my friend. You know that you'll never will ever be friends. I try to do the thing above and I see nothing but the space. But I won't believe.
¿Te gusta el pepino?
¡Ay, qué miedo! ¡Yo me voy!
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100.
Ven pa' acá, conchetum.
Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no...
Editor pelón, ponga música de persecución, por favor.
It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
First blood.
I'm so gone, no, I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath.
Double kill.
Face while he's looking back, mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I
Killing spree.
immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pace.
Triple kill.
Love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit,
Mega kill.
I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking.